Hey everybody, welcome to the weekly roundup with Mr. Bray, as you see over here, over there. That is me doing the Harlem Shake. How much fun was that? Just over 5 years ago, my very last year before I came to Agora, the Harlem Shake was all of the rage. So we went and we did the Harlem Shake. So this week's roundup, welcome everybody, is for the week this week, October 1st to the 5th. We're looking at lessons 2 through 6. The homeworks you're responsible for are 2.04, '05, and '06. Our big topics this week. Oh, you know, my favorite, Billy Boss, the man, the myth, the legend, William Boss Reed. We nicknamed him Billy Boss. It's not really his name, but it sounds cool. We're also talking about immigrants, Mark Twain, and suffrage. So, ooh, start again. All right. So, let me move myself out of the way. We see the Monopoly Man. Lesson 1. Talking about corruption and reform. Corruption, all the things that were going behind the scenes wrong in the government. People were stealing. People were cheating the American people out of what they deserved. And one of the things we talked about that was going on early in our country's history was these monopolies, where one company or business would control the entire market and whatever they were selling or making. We use the example in class of like cell phone providers. So you can have your cell phone provider through Verizon, AT&T, Cricket, Boost. There's Sprint. There's all kinds, and because they're all different types of competitors, that keeps the price down. If AT&T was like ridiculous amounts of money, no one would use AT&T because there's people competing against them. They have to keep the prices down. But if there was just one cell phone provider, they can make the prices whatever they want it, and we'd have no say. Monopolies are bad. We need competition. That led us into Billy Boss Tweed. He controlled New York City. People were afraid of him, and they should be, because he bribed people and he did whatever he wanted. As Thomas Nash drew down here, well, what are you going to do about it? Huh? He was nuts. He was a powerful man. He ran New York City without being the mayor, without being a governor, without being an elected official. He did it through bribes, bullying. He got whatever he wanted. And at this time in our country, it was really easy to bribe people because there was a lot of corruption going on. So, moving to lesson 2. There he is, Mr. Sammy C. Mark Twain, maybe our most famous author in the history of the United States, and he was around in the late 1800s. Here he is pictured in his rocking chair and in the regular chair in his white suit. He used to go around the United States and go all throughout the United States and do different talks and speeches, talk about his books, and he was known as the first celebrity. He always wore his white suit coat. Anytime he got a picture, he wanted his white suit coat on. So Mark Twain, and he wrote about the Gilded Age, all the money that was being spent and wasted. All right, that brings us to Unit 3 and immigrants. We said an immigrant is a person who leaves their home to move to a new country to start a new home. It's not going on vacation. That's not being an immigrant. An immigrant is when you leave your home and start a new home somewhere else. These are people who are coming to the United States for lots of different reasons. For land, for religious freedom, for jobs, for just a better opportunity at life than what they had in their home country. Lots and lots of immigrants came to the United States, especially in the late 1800s, early 1900s. So as all these people were coming, there were issues. Not everyone wanted the immigrants. There was a lot of issues. People were afraid of them. They were afraid for their jobs. They were afraid these people would work for less money. In class, we said if a new worker would take $3 a day, and the Americans who were already here were getting $10 a day, owners are going to pay the $3 versus the $10 every time. These people were poor. They couldn't speak English, so they need to learn English. We said in class, how would they learn English? Through teachers. It would cost money. The cities were super overcrowded. Again, meant more police, which meant more money, which the money came from taxes. And just overall, different cultures, different religions, we just didn't want them. We were not welcoming to them, which is pretty ironic because basically everyone in this country is an immigrant at some point or another. You might have been born here, but what about your grandparents, grandparents, grandparents? Where are they from? Probably not from the United States. They're probably from somewhere else. That's what an immigrant is, someone who leaves their original place to come to a new country. Lesson 5, we kind of switch gears a little bit. Same time frame, late 1800s. We're talking about women and the right to vote. Women couldn't vote in our country until 1920. So women in this country haven't even been voting for 100 years. It's been less than 100 years since women got the right to vote. The very first territory, which would later become a state, to allow women the right to vote was Wyoming. And Wyoming was not coming into the United States without women having the right to vote. This whole lesson and the next lesson was about women's suffrage. And suffrage is simply the right to vote, so therefore women's suffrage is women's right to vote. Lesson 6, very similar to the other lesson when we talked about immigrants and then people who were anti-immigrants, was this. People were not thrilled with women having the right to vote. Thanks to these two women, I'll find my mouse, Elizabeth Stanton and Susan B. Anthony, they were the backbone of the push to get women the right to vote. And thankfully for them, we did, as a country in 1920, sign the 19th Amendment that allowed women the right to vote. But there weren't not everybody was all for it. See these pictures, this woman going off to vote. Look, woman for vote. Look at this man. How is this man supposed to take care of his children? His own children. What's he supposed to do? He can't take care of his own kids. What crazy talk. How about over here? Look at this woman. Oh man. Do you prefer the home or the street corner for women? This woman's nice and kind and loving. This woman looks like a crazed animal. We can't have this woman like this. We can't let women vote. Women vote because of this crazy lady. We need women like this who are calm. This is the stuff that was actually going out to people in the late 1800s, early 1900s. Crazy. Crazy to think that this stuff is what was being told to the public. Because people, it's something different. We said in class, people were afraid. All right, so who are our stars of the week? We have Mystic and Naomi, our teachers. They did an amazing job. Mystic, Naomi, great job. I think we really like that. I think we're going to continue that. Maybe a slide at a time. They were our moderators. Maybe eventually we'll have a student teach the entire class. I'm really excited for that. Now, the rest is up to you guys. Good luck on your quiz. You can do it. Thumbs up, kid. Always thumbs up. Don't stress. Do your best. Forget the rest. If you do your best, guys, and you try, you guys will be great. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to leave comments. Tell me anything I missed, anything that interests you, any questions you have. Throw it in the comments. I answer every single one. All right, guys, take care.